Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Class 9 Science Biology. Chapter 5 The Fundamental Unit of Life Part 4. In this video we will learn the structure of plasma membrane and functions of plasma membrane. What is plasma membrane? It is a microscopic membrane of lipids and proteins which forms the external boundary of the cytoplasm of a cell or encloses a vacuole and regulates the passage of molecules in and out of the cytoplasm. Wait. It sounds so difficult. I'll explain you in a more simple way. So, enjoy this video. So, what do we generally do if someone asks us to draw a cell, either prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Either a plant cell or animal cell, we first draw the outline of it and start filling other components in it. You can see the yellow color cell boundary over here. The name of this cell boundary is plasma membrane. This outer covering of the cell. It is present in both plant cell and animal cell. Like walls protect us from external environment conditions such as heat, cold, and even wild animals. Like exactly in the same way, cell membrane also protect the cell from external environment. Gives the proper structure to a cell. We know that different cells have different shapes. Plasma membrane gives cells their unique structure and shapes. Also, just like the walls of a room allows us to keep the things like furniture and appliances in a proper way, cell membrane also helps in packing the organelles of the cell in organized manner. What is importance of these walls? Cell membrane separates the components inside the cell from the neighboring cells. Let's look at the door. It allows us to go in and out. Even the cell membrane have the doors to let things in and out. Just like our doors, let be unlocked by us and not by strangers. Cell membrane also allows the exchange of only specific substances between different cells and the environment. Movement of specific substances means it only allows few substances and not the rest. This property of cell membrane is called selective permeability. Cell membrane also allows small substances and the solvents like water to pass through it, but not the bigger substances. The cell membrane is permeable only to few substances and hence it is called semi-permeable. Composition of plasma membrane. It is made up of two layers of phospholipids with embedded proteins. These phospholipids are building blocks and such lipids which have phosphate group attached to it. The cell is surrounded by a cell membrane. It is also called the plasma membrane. The cell membrane protects the cell from the outer environment. The cell membrane gives structure to the cell. Also separates the components of the cell from the outer environment. It is selectively permeable membrane and only allows few specific substances to pass through it. It is also semi-permeable membrane and only allows small substances to pass through it.